Hello and what's up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Is your girl again, Sheila Mwanike. I hope you missed me. Did you miss me? I know you did. Karibuni sana, and in today's video, without wasting time, we're gonna be doing something amazing, some delicious meals, some spinning in the kitchen. So we're gonna be doing beef stew, sukuma wiki ugali, and if you've not subscribed, guys, be kind to subscribe to my channel. Yes, remember to subscribe, like, share and comment, and also don't forget to hit that notification button so anytime I upload any video, guys, you're among my first people to know what is new from my end. Sasa karibuni sana, stay tuned. I'm gonna be with you all through, but for now, see you in a minute. So as I told you guys that we are going to be doing sukuma wiki, some beef. Here's our beef, some beef stew and ugali. So this is what I'm gonna be doing for my beef. Sukuma wiki, I'm gonna be steaming my own sukuma wiki. So this is my beef. I have 2 tomatoes, I have some 3 cloves of garlic, I have 3 small onions. So I'm gonna be using these 2 for meats and this one for my sukuma. Unfortunately my onions is Maisha, and then I'm gonna garnish my beef with some coriander. We have this coriander and also we have the dried one, so I'm gonna be using both. Sawa only. Sawa, just kitunguu and mafuta and some salt to taste, and that's it for my sukuma. But the rest of this we're gonna be using for my meat. Before I forget, we're going to add something, and that is some cubes. And this is Reiko cubes, and this the spice in this one is chicken spice. Is that chicken? What do we say? Chicken flavor. So yes. So let's start. So we start by lighting our jiko. Put your pan. My pan was ready. Yani ilikuwa tayari. Put your garlic. Wacha ive pamoja na kitunguu. Putting my salt at this stage because huwa nasikia ni kama huwa ina mix na nyama vizuri, ama nyama inakunywa kitunguu vizuri. And then niweke chenye nataka kuweka next. So I put my meat now. I'll cover it and let it cook for some time. So cook your meat until the water coming out from the meat until it dries completely. Mommy. Inanukia utamu. Inanukia machokochoko. Machokochoko ni hofu. Hebu nichukulie hoho hapo, nimesema. Look at that, guys. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. So we're going to be putting our rice. Tunaweka spices sasa. Ikifika hapo, tomato zimeiva kidogo, ndio ziivanishe kila kitu pamoja. Ninaongeza kitunguu changu ama my onion, my powder onion. I will start by adding that. This is coriander and this is a garlic. This is beef masala. That is beef masala. A pinch of nutmeg and paprika. Powder paprika. And then the last spice is this one. Cube, Royco cube, chicken flavor. So you just play. If you have spices in the house, you just play with your spices. I think that's it. Your food will turn out to be nice, eh? So look at like this. Zaiva lakini inakaa kukuliwa tayari. Safi sana. So you add a bit of water kidogo. Hivyo. Remember I will deep steam. So just kidogo water and then cover your meat and let it cook. Look at that. Then I'll put my, what is this called? My paprika, my green paprika. Look at that, guys. And just like that, our beef is done. So you're going to be garnishing with some there. So I want my sufuria to do kitu inaitwa. When you guys you put oil, yeah. What? Tia kitunguu chako. And then I'll put my sukuma wiki in the